We started the penetration test with a Nmap scan for the television using the IP address of 192.168.1.78. For the scan itself, we chose to run an aggressive scan. Those scans will take a few minutes to complete. We have actually started it for time purposes. While the scan is running, we will set up the Metasploit framework on two different tabs. One of the tabs we will use to run searches for the exploits. The other we use to search for payloads. Here's a sample of some of the exploits we attempted. In the MSF console, the first thing we do is run a search for exploits. The first search we ran used the term TCP, since the TCP ports were the ports that were listed as open. The initial exploits we used were rated as great or excellent and were specifically for Linux. Within the exploit, we searched the options to make sure the components are set properly, specifically the R hosts, the L host, the port, the listening port, and the payload. Once the options are set, we run the exploit. If the exploit runs but doesn't create a meterpreter or a shell session, we will change the payload or the ports and run through the entire list until we have exhausted it. If all possibilities for a particular exploit do not create a session, we will back out and change the exploit that is used and start the process again.